Dude, are your glasses even ballistic rated? Oh yeah, these ones are. Kore Essentials Ballistic Glasses. If you shoot a 9mm bullet at my eye hole right now, it'll deflect right off. Oh, we definitely shouldn't try that though. Maybe another day, all right? What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today, as you just saw there, we are talking about the Kore Essentials Ballistic Sunglasses. These are the sunglasses versions. They also have clear lens versions, but these are polarized, UV protected, and as I just pointed out, they're ballistic proof as well. So if you're going to the outdoor range a lot, you definitely want some ballistic proof sunglasses. These Kore Essential ones are definitely a good one to pick up here. So with that, let's go ahead. We're gonna do a quick unboxing of the video. We get some goodies that come with this if you're looking to pick one up, and then we're gonna talk about the features it has as well. So with that, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, let's go ahead and get this guy unboxed. As you can see, it comes in just a simple small package here, but when you open it, you can see there's the Kore logo. Here we have the glasses case we're gonna set aside. We also have the glasses strap that we're gonna go over. And then they do give you some literature here on the glasses and as far as use and the durability of them. All right, next let's go ahead and open up the case here. And hopefully our glasses are in here. Sure enough, here we go, nice. And then also we do have a cleaning cloth in here that we can go ahead and open. It does have the Kore logo on it. And the inside's actually felt here, so you can use these for your glasses afterwards, so that is pretty awesome. Now we have everything out of the package, and here are our actual glasses. And one of the first things to note here is there are magnets built into the end pieces here. So you can see it's kind of hard to pull, but once you do, it comes off. But then when you go ahead and put it back, the magnets click into place, which is super awesome as far as putting these around your shirt, using that to keep this clasped so that way you don't drop or lose them. So here's a closer look at the glasses here. You can see the Kore logo on the side here. Pretty stylish. It kind of has like that operator type look to it, I guess. The lenses are polarized and UV protected, which is nice as well. You got the Kore logo on the other side here, and then you have the two parts on the side. And again, these are magnetic, so when you fold them up, you can see they will click into place and they stay together. Pretty cool. So the other thing this comes with here is the Kore glasses strap here, and this is for like your sun visor in your car or truck. What you'll basically do is take this, wrap it around your sun visor, have the Kore logo here facing down, and then this will go tight. There's some Velcro here, so this will be all strapped around it, and this will be down. And now when you're done with your glasses here, since it has the magnets, you can see there's two magnets right here. You can simply clasp it on and they'll attach, and then when you're ready to use them, you can just pull them right off. So pretty cool. Again, they say using it for your sun visor would be best, but I'm sure you can wrap this around anything you might have where you want to store your sunglasses. Last thing here is the case as well. Like I said, this is felt on the inside here, so if you want to store your glasses or take them on a trip, throw them in your luggage, you can go ahead and use this case. This is a hard plastic case, and on the inside's that felt. And then when you're ready, you can go ahead and unscrew it, grab your sunglasses, and you're all set. All right, last thing here, I brought my model here to go ahead and try on the glasses for you to see what they look like. So let me go ahead and bring them on here. Yeah, go ahead. Yep, cool. Oh, it's just me. But anywho, here's what they look like. Might not be the best model, but they definitely give you more of like a operator type vibe. I'm normally a Ray-Ban type sunglass guy, but these feel great as far as comfort and stuff. I can definitely feel them as being more duty use with the heavier frame than, you know, like a Ray-Bans or something like that. But we have UV protection, we have polarized glasses, and they're ballistic proof. That's the biggest plus for me as far as these being shooting glasses. The other thing, normally I wear a hat, so if I have my hat on here at the range shooting and stuff, here's kind of a general look to it. And again, they are comfortable. They're not heavy or anything like that. They just feel like glasses. And again, the other cool thing about these is the magnets here. So if I wanted to ride like a motorcycle or something like that and clasp these onto my shirt here, you can actually do it like this. I can go run or something like that. You can see these are sticking on. They didn't even move down at all. And then when I'm ready to, I can go ahead, pull them off here, put them on, or again, more practical, I know I got my microphone here, is putting them like this. And again, same thing. These are gonna stay on here. Pretty cool as far as the magnets on there. So overall, if you're looking for a ballistic pair of sunglasses, definitely check these out from Kore Essentials. That's the biggest plus side for me because like I said, I'm normally a Ray-Ban type person going to the range, but having something with a little more protection would be nice around your eyes. I just saw a video the other day of some guy shooting some tannerite and some shrapnel came and kind of got him right by the eye hole, which is an instant trip to the hospital. If you had some of these might help deflect some of that. Either way, I hope this video today was helpful on the Kore Essentials Ballistic Sunglasses here. If you have any questions, let me know down down in the comments. Always happy to help. If this was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. Always appreciate that. Have a bunch of other Kore Essential product videos as far as their EDC belt, battle belt up on the channel now, so go check those out. But as I said, that does it for today's video. Until next time, have fun shooting, pow, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.